Hey guys, it's Ryan here with LogoClothz. I want to show you today how to create an account on our website. If you've already made a purchase from us and created an account when you checked out, then obviously there's no need for this step. But if you're new and you just want to register with us, up here in the top right hand corner, you'll see the register button. Once you click on that, that's going to take you to the account settings. Here is where you are going to start your account. You're going to first of all enter a email address that you want to use for the account. You're then going to come up with a password. And then you're going to, maybe you have autofill set. You can just dive through with that, get everything filled out, last name, company name, phone number, address, etc. This particular option that's here is not going to be here by the time you watch this video. We're removing it today. Apologies for that, but this step for our donations will now actually be on the product page for you. Check the fact that you're not a robot. Confirm that for us once you get the green tick, or you may get some questions. So let's answer that captcha. I think that covers all the taxis. Let's see. Traffic lights. Okay, once you get the green check saying I'm not a robot, and the reason I got that captcha twice is because I'm in an incognito window. That's why. So click create account. Account has been created. You're going to receive an email to the email address that you used when you actually signed up, and then you can just continue shopping on LogoClothz. Thanks very much for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Any questions, give us a call or an email. Thank you.